tenderloin egg rolls. Okay, we're going to take this pork tenderloin. We're going to follow the instructions. 425 for 20 to 30 minutes. So we'll get this all ready, put it in the oven. And okay, I've sliced up the tenderloin. It's all finished and done. Remember that this is a teriyaki pork tenderloin. It's not unseasoned. If you have a pork loin that you don't have seasoned already, you can put any type of seasoning on it. This is already pre-marinated, and I'm just going to go ahead and build the egg rolls. So I'm going to move this over so you can see. And I do have another video with egg rolls. It's pretty popular, and if you want to check that out, I'll link it at the end of the video. So what I've got here is just a bag of cabbage, mixed cabbage. It has carrots. I do not have bean sprouts. Could not find them in Arkansas. So if you have bean sprouts, that's something you want to add to your egg rolls. And this is not a traditional Chinese egg roll. This is just my version of a pork tenderloin egg roll. So we have the egg roll, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in the way of an envelope. So we're going to take a little bit of our cabbage, and we're going to take tenderloin. We're going to come up just like this. And you want to go lengthways because that's how they get the oblong. I've got a little water, so I'm just going to, the water acts as a glue for this egg roll. And you don't want the egg roll coming undone in your deep fryer. And that's all you do. And try to get it as tight as you can. Sometimes I'm doing a so your water acts as sort of like a glue. Okay, we'll grab another egg roll. Like that. And we'll get some of our cabbage. Put it in there like that. Put some pork tenderloin, teriyaki pork tenderloin in the egg roll. And this is super tender. It's falling apart. So it's not going to be a tenderloin that when you bite into the egg roll, it's going to come apart. Okay, we're going to put a little bit on the end like that, and we're just going to fold it over as tight as we can. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and build the rest of them, and then we'll get them in the deep fryer. So, I've got them in the deep fryer. This is my last one. They're a little difficult to flip, because once I gets hot, it refuses to flip. So you will have to fuss with that. But there we go. So far, so good. The inside has the tenderloin and cabbage. They're really delicious. Winner. I hope you make these, and thank you for watching, and everybody have a blessed day.